In this video, I want to talk about how you can cancel order in Shein. To do this, you want to head over to your profile and find My Orders. Inside of here, you want to find the order that you want to cancel. Simply select it and click on Cancel Order. Now, once you've done this, you just need to choose a reason. And after that, you should have canceled the order. And then you're going to get your money back. And you can usually choose if you want it in gift points or if you just want it back on the method that you paid. Now, if you cannot press on cancel order, it probably means the item has already been shipped. Then the second option is to wait until you receive the item and then come in here and make a return. So click on the item that you received and then you want to make a return. Once you've done this, and if you're eligible for the return, then you will get your money back. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.